Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using these system settings on it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the button on the side, like this. And after you wake up the screen, swipe down on the screen to scroll through the menu, like this, and find the settings option. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called device info. Once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down and find the option called clear user data. Then tap on it, then scroll down, and now we need to press and hold on this button right here for 3 seconds to confirm. Be aware though, if you go through the factory reset, it will remove all of your data and settings from your device. So you will lose everything. Be aware of that. Okay, so let's press and hold on the button to confirm. Keep holding like this, and after 3 seconds, the device will reset basically, and we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.